Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to dip, decorate, and package caramel apples. I will also share some tips with you along the way. Comment below and let us know if you have made caramel apples and what you like to use to decorate them. Caramel apples can be made by melting pre-made caramel or making your own. Pre-made caramel can be melted in the microwave or on the stove top for dipping. If you make your own caramel, be sure to use a calibrated candy thermometer. Continue watching this video to learn how to use pre-made caramel to make caramel apples and suggestions for packaging them. Let's get started. Prepare your apples by washing them in warm water to remove the wax. Then, remove the stems by twisting them until they break off. Insert wooden apple sticks into the apples where the stems were. The first type of caramel I will be using is a non-flow caramel that is recommended to use for caramel apples, as it just needs to be melted before dipping them. Measure your caramel using a scale. About 1 pound of caramel will cover 3 to 4 medium-sized apples. Microwave the caramel in a bowl for 1 minute, then stir. Be sure to keep an eye on the caramel as it melts so that it does not burn. Place the caramel back in the microwave for 30 seconds and stir, then repeat once more. Your caramel should be thin enough to easily dip your apples and easily drizzle off your spatula. Dip the apple in a scooping motion to be sure the top is covered and continue turning to achieve even coverage. Shake the apple up and down, then scrape on the side of the bowl to remove excess caramel. Place on a parchment-lined baking sheet and then place in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. This will help reduce the amount of caramel that pools around the bottom of the apple. The next method I am going to show you uses a slightly softer caramel, often used for candy centers and turtles. Measure 1 pound of caramel in a bowl and 3.2 ounces of white chocolate in another bowl. Melt the caramel as instructed earlier and microwave the chocolate using 30-second intervals until melted. Mix the chocolate into the melted caramel and microwave another 15 to 20 seconds if it is too thick. Dip your apples and place on parchment, then set aside in the refrigerator or at room temperature to set up. The dipped apples can be left at room temperature to set up, and I will show you later in the video how to remove excess caramel around the bottom of the apple. For the final method, I will be using the same caramel previously used. Measure 1 pound of this caramel and melt as instructed earlier in the video. Once melted, add half to 1 ounce of powdered sugar and mix well. Start with a small amount and add more if needed. Dip your apples and place on parchment, then allow them to set up in the refrigerator or at room temperature. Once the caramel has set up, use a clean pair of scissors to trim the excess from the bottom. Then, smooth the cut edge with your finger. To decorate the caramel apples, melt a small amount of white chocolate and add your desired decoration. I used chocolate Krispies for this apple. You can also use melted dark chocolate in a sprinkle mix to decorate the apple. The final method of decorating the apple is to drizzle with your desired flavor of melted chocolate. Allow the chocolate to set up completely at room temperature before packaging. Caramel apples can be packaged using cellophane bags, plastic apple containers, or boxes. We recommend using these clear boxes as they display your decorated apple perfectly. Place the apple in the box as is, or add a paper apple cup to the bottom of the box, then add the apple. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Don't forget to leave us a comment letting us know what videos you would like to see in the future. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, check out the miscellaneous desserts playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products and our upcoming video projects by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see the treats you create and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.